Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have again with us today our two student interns.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
Hi, I'm Miranda. What are we making today?
So today we are making fruit and veggie prints. I'll show you mine. I did some pumpkins out of an apple.
Cute.
Great.
Nice.
All right, so before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques. So this is sometimes called a balloon breath, but we're going to call it a pumpkin breath. So we're going to start with our hands in a round shape, small, like a pumpkin, and we're going to breathe in, make a big pumpkin, and then breathe out. All right, so we'll start with our small pumpkin. Okay, and breathe in. And out. One more time. All right.
I feel relaxed and ready to go.
Yeah,
Nice.
me too. Nice. So what kind of supplies will we need today?
We will need fruits or vegetables, paint, a paintbrush, paper, and markers.
Great. Okay, so I will show you the first step. And then it's pretty much whatever, anything goes. But for mine, what I did is I cut an apple in half like that. And you'll notice how you see the pumpkin's mouth. That just happened naturally with the way the apple was formed. So I thought that was cool. And then I put some paint on a plate. And you certainly can use a paintbrush. I just did it like this. And then I just press down. And there it is.
Oh, so cute.
And then I just added with a marker, a stem and leaves. And I just cut out some little eyes out of paper. And I have some pumpkins. So what are you all going to do?
So I'm going to do stamping with, I have different veggies. I have like part of a pepper, carrot, a lime, and I'm just gonna experiment and see what it comes out to be.
Great.
So
I have a pepper and they're sort of cut in a cool design. So I'm just gonna dip it in the paint and yeah, see what comes out.
Great.
I bet that's gonna be a cool design with that pepper.
Yeah.
Oh.
I also have an apple. I'm gonna try the pumpkin one to make an apple, but then to make a pumpkin, and then I have some kale, and I have like a lemon and a lime, a pear,
Wow.
and just gonna go do designs from there, and see what happens.
Great. And I'm just going to keep making pumpkins on my paper.
So I painted on my lime just because I don't have a lot of space to spread out a bunch of paint. And let's see.
The lime, I think, will be a cool texture on the paper.
Mm-hmm. How's the pepper coming?
Good. They almost look like flowers.
Wow, that's so pretty.
It is cool.
They do.
I'm gonna do a carrot.
Nice. Carlina, how are yours coming?
Pretty good. I just am doing the lime right now with like a glitter paint, to see how that'll work. Now, before I did this, I squeezed all of the lemon and the lime juice. I don't know if I did it not enough. It is still a little like moist. So I would just make sure if you're using a lemon or a lime to squeeze it all the way out.
Good suggestion.
No, see, I didn't do that. But here's my lime with a carrot
Oh
in the
my
middle.
goodness.
Oh,
look
cool.
So cute.
Wow. These look
Yeah, you
really
can like combine the fruits and vegetables. That's so
Right.
cool.
So I'm really
Right.
curious to try an onion.
Oh, you're brave, Peggy.
But my eyes don't water.
I know.
I have uh, a little bit of a celery that you could actually use as a paintbrush if you wanted to.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So I am gonna go back later and put eyes on all my pumpkins. I just put some more
That's
on.
so cute.
And then when these dry, I'll add the markers for more stems. So it's just gonna be a page of pumpkins. And while you're all working on yours, I have a joke about a pumpkin.
Mm.
So what vegetable does a pumpkin become when an elephant sits on it?
What?
Squash.
Good
That
one.
is a good one.
Thank you. Can you all hold yours up as you're doing them?
Yeah.
You know.
Can't really see the outline of mine. I love the pepper.
Yeah, the pepper's great. Oh, I like the pear.
Oh, those
Yeah,
look
the
so
pear.
cool too. It looks like a leaf almost and like a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Very fall themed.
Right. Yeah, I guess you're right. It does look like a leaf. And then I like how if you look closer, you can see some of the lines from the fruit inside.
I know,
Yeah,
that's what I need to squeeze out some of my juice so that you can see the lines more.
Peggy, what do you think about the onion? Would you recommend it?
Mm,
Mm.
sure.
Okay. Well, you know how sometimes things,
What?
Like it doesn't
Yeah.
come out as the way I thought, but I think whatever happens, happens.
yeah, you can turn it into something. That's
Right.
what's fun. Later, when yours all dry, you can take markers and if you want to turn them into other things, then you can do it that way.
Maybe I'll try the onion with a hole in it.
I was gonna say you can almost sort of shape what you want it to look like,
Right, right. You could
which is one
kind of
cool
like
thing.
carve it to.
I just tried my apple slice. I had an apple slice, and then the little green part is the kale. I just did like different lines of kale.
I really like the kale.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Like I like that with the circle in it.
Yeah, I do too. Peggy,
Oh,
I really like your colors.
yeah, I do too. Is that the onion or what's the one with the circle in it?
The onion with the circle cut out.
Oh, gotcha.
Nice.
This was mine.
Oh, that looks great.
It does look like flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
it
I'll
does.
have to go back in later and maybe add some leaves.
Yeah. So I think we can all work on these later to finish them up. But you all had such good ideas beyond
Yeah.
just the apple. So
Every fruit or vegetable works, which is great.
Right, anything.
Yeah. And then I think with just certain fruits or vegetables, it depends. Like you might want to paint, you might want to use a brush to paint it on.
Right.
Like I just did the lemon and like it didn't get everything just by dipping it. So
Right.
like it might need to use a brush. So I think it just depends what fruit or veggie you use.
yeah. So the whole thing, like everything we do, we just try it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then you just turn it into something else. So
I'm gonna keep stamping.
yeah. Thanks for coming. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.